With every hunting season comes the lowest of lows and the highest of highs. But one thing we can count on for sure is making memories that will last a lifetime.
Pounded him, baby. First double beard. This is definitely one I'll remember forever. Yes! Alright guys, well, good morning. We are watching the bird. We're a little late today, and we got here, got set up, but just in the nick of time, the turkeys started pouring out, so I've been watching this bird all week when I come to work, and it's like 6:10, and I look up, and he's literally standing about 25 feet from our greenhouse wall. We're 400-yard walk across the field from the greenhouses, and he's in full strut. We should have just had coffee and donuts in the greenhouse this morning and shot him, because he'd been in range for like the last 25 minutes. So we're just sitting here enjoying the beautiful spring, and he's got 3 hens, and they're working down this way now, so we're hoping they'll work straight to us, and Kristin will be able to make up for last weekend. Go ahead.
Did I miss him?
I don't know.
I missed him, didn't I?
Safety off. Easy. Go slow. Squeeze it.
Yes!
You got him.
Yes!
Good job, baby. Alright. You got him. That was much better than last weekend. Give me a hug. My heart's screaming. Last week I was even nervous. She had such a perfect score. And last week really put me on edge because she squeezed and the bird flew away. And I was, you know, so you can't ask for anything better. This farm has been tough over the years. These birds are just, they don't like decoys. So we've actually switched. When we hunt this farm, we use just hens. So it takes a little coaxing to get them to come in. And he had 4 hens this morning and come out about 500 yards from us. He's been in the field, what, 2.5 hours?
Yeah.
We filmed him. He was clear up at the garage. We're about 400 yards or 500 yards from the garage. He was clear up there. He was clear down here. He strutted all that up there. We filmed him all. And then he come down, and I don't know, his one hen decided he actually lost 2 over the last 2 hours. He was down to 2 hens, and his one hen decided to come in, and she come right past the decoys and through the wood line into the other field. And then the one he was breeding just a minute ago, she stayed out about 80 yards, but she put the turbos on and disappeared right about when he got flush with the decoys. If you listen to the film, you can hear me just real soft, just real light clucks and a little bit of yelping. just trying to coax him to come to us instead of go with her. And you could tell he got almost past us, you know, and as a kid I'd have freaked and started calling more, and that's not what you do. You just keep coaxing him, keep just a little bit, keep moving the carrot in front of the rabbit, huh? And finally he was past us, and you could tell his demeanor changed like that. He turned, went in full strut, and come right to us. 25 yards was where I put the decoy. I told her, your gun is deadly at that range, we're gonna get him right there. I gave her time. I pushed her last weekend. It was just an emotional roller coaster with that hunt. So, but you got him. So number 2 longbeard for her. She's killed a couple jakes, but that's only her second. He's got a nice rope, so we're gonna get out and check him out. So stick with us. Here we go. Nice bird, huh?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thanks, man.
Alright guys, well, you can tell by the smiling faces and the turkey laying down that we're happy hunters today. We scouted this bird this week. My brothers helped me, Isaac and Titus. They did a great job. He came out in the field actually about 500 yards from us right after fly down at 6:10, and it was 8:10 or 8:15 when she actually killed the bird. We got tons of footage. He bred a hen over here. That's twice now, 2 hunts. So I've been hunting turkeys for 13 or 14 years, or going on turkey hunts. Never seen a turkey actually breed a hen, and now I've seen it twice. We're just in that part of the season. The hens are ready, and you can tell the birds are ready. His feathers are all still puffed up. He literally strutted all morning. I don't think his feathers were down for more than a couple seconds, and it's probably on film. Just beautiful. The field looks awesome with the yellow flowers coming up, and we couldn't be more happy and feel blessed to be able to participate in this great sport. You know, coming from one turkey hunter to another, get someone involved. I mean, it's worth every ounce of energy you put into it. To be able to take someone new. When we started dating, she didn't hunt at all, and now she's my best hunting partner, and we go every chance we can, and we spend as much time in the blind together as we do on dates together. But you can't beat it. So what do you think of your bird, baby?
So happy with it. Like he said, it was so far away I didn't think it was coming in. After last week, we're definitely down, and it finally came in. Like you said, just could not be more blessed to get this bird.
It's been a great day, but we're gonna pack up, get the blind out here, and we're gonna go get our celebratory breakfast. So stick with us, and we're gonna keep pounding them here in 2019.